Hi students, today we are going to learn the grammar, okay, grammar book. Take your grammar book, English grammar book and page number 43. Ninth topic we are going to learn today. What is the topic? Let me see. Yes, past continuous tense. Past tense already we learned, right? We talk about past, already it happened, so it is past tense. Past continuous tense means, see here, it is used to talk about actions that began in the past and continued for some time, which means the action is already over and still it is continuing to now, okay? So it is past continuous tense. அதாவது ஒரு இது முடிஞ்சு இன்னும் கண்டினியூ ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு, அந்த வேலை இன்னும் கண்டினியூ ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா it is past continuous tense. See the structure for past continuous tense: was or were plus verb plus ing, which means was is used for singular means ஒரே ஒருத்தங்கள பத்தி பேசும்போது we use was. Plural, for plural, my friends, okay, or we can talk about a group, which means we use were. Plural, for plural form we use were. And verb, what is mean by verb? Verb means it is action, yes. So verb plus with the verb we want to add ing, okay. Next, now take your book, page number 43. First read these sentences, read these lines. One day Alice was walking in her garden. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He was wearing a blue coat. See, was walking. See, Alice means only one girl, right? So was, I already told, for singular we want to use was, for plural we want to use were. Yes, for Alice the it is used was, okay. Next, see verb. What is verb here? Walk. Yes, walk is a verb. What action? Whatever the action, it is verb. So walk is the verb here, plus see here ing is added. So we found that was walking. Yes, was walking. See, all the structure are applied there. Was is there. For singular we want to use was. Then verb is walk, and ing we want to add, so ing is also added. This is the past continuous tense, okay. It is happened and also it is continuing for some time, okay. See, he was wearing a blue coat. As the same example of this, was wear is the verb plus ing we added, okay. See in the blue box, the past continuous tense is used to talk about actions that begin in the past and continue for some time. Already I wrote here, right? Next, past continuous tense structure already we learned. Then example also we learned. Now we can move on to the page number 44. Now you are going to do this exercise. It is very interesting. Let me do. Yes. Circle the verbs in the past continuous tense in the sentences below. See here, we want to circle the verb, okay. If it is in singular means it is in was plus verb plus ing. If it is in plural means was plus were plus verb plus ing. This is the structure, okay. Let me see. Circle the verbs in the past continuous tense in the sentences below. First one, the boy was waiting in the hall. What is the answer here? Yes, was waiting. How we find the boy? The boy means a singular, right? He is one, so single. So we are using was. Then verb. What verb here added? Wait. Yes, wait is the verb added here, and ing. So which is the answer here? Was waiting. You want to circle was waiting. First three I will do. Remaining things are your homework, okay. Next one, we. See, we, it is plural. Yes, talk about we. Yes, we were reading all night. Which is the past continuous tense here? Yes, were reading. So circle the word were reading. Okay, next one. Subhas was washing his clothes in the morning. See, Shubhas is a one boy. So here singular is used. So was washing. Washing you want to circle. Remaining 3 is your homework. It is easy, right? So you can find the answer. Next, another cases we are going to learn about the past continuous tense. Okay, the past continuous tense used in the following cases. This time we will use the past continuous tense. Okay, see first one, to show an action that continued for some time in the past, which means continued for some time in the past. அதாவது ஏற்கனவே நடந்து முடிஞ்சதுல முடிஞ்சு கொஞ்ச நேரம் நடந்தது, அதுதான் first case. Already it is finished. Past tense means it is over, right? Past continuous tense means it is over and started. Okay, it is continuing. So continuous. See here, Sania was going. See, singular, one girl. So we are using was. Then go is the verb used here, and plus ing is used here. Okay, so Sonia was going to the market. What is the meaning for this sentence? Sonia market போயிட்டு இருக்கா. Okay, so Sania was going to the market. அவ போயிட்டு இருக்கா. Okay, so past tense, already it's over, then it is continuing for some time. ஏற்கனவே அவ போனதை முடிச்சாச்சு, ஆனாலும் அது இன்னும் போயிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரியே நம்ம சொல்றது. Okay, so it is past continuous tense. And next case, see here, to describe an action in the past that was happening when another action took place. அதாவது ஒரு செயல் நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கும் போதே, one action is happening at that time, another one action is also happening. ஒரு வேலை நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது இன்னொரு வேலை நடக்குது. நான் இப்போ டீச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது யாராவது உள்ள என்டர் ஆகுறது. ஓகே, so two action is happening at a time. It is also considered past continuous tense. See here, another action took place. One is going on and another also happening. See, to describe an action in the past that was happening when another action took place. ஒன்னு ஏற்கனவே அது நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போதே இன்னொரு நடக்கிறது. See the example, I was doing my homework when mom returned. எங்க அம்மா வீட்டுக்குள்ள வரும்போது அது ஒரு ஆக்ஷன், நான் homework எழுதிக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன், அது ஒரு ஆக்ஷன். So two action is going on here. So it is past continuous tense. Okay, now take your book, page number 44. The past continuous tense is used in the following cases: to show an action that continued for some time in the past. Already I told, sometime in the past. So was going to the market. Next one, to describe an action in the past that was happening when another action took place. It also, I am doing the homework and my mom also entering into the house. Okay, now second exercise, page number 45. Read the sentences given below. In each sentence, identify the two actions that were taking place in the past. Okay, it is already over and you want to mention two actions in these sentences. See how we are going to do? We are going to do the second case. Okay, second case. See, one is going on in the past and another also included with that. Yes, see here, they were watching the match when the lights went off. See here, they were watching the match is the one action and the lights went off. Okay, அவங்க டிவில மேட்ச் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க, இது ஒரு ஆக்ஷன். and another one action is light off ஆயிடுச்சு, ஆஃப் பண்ணியாச்சு. so two action is in the past, already it is over. Okay, now second one, the alarm rang when he was trying to enter the building. The alarm rang when he was trying to enter the building. What is the first action here? Yes, the alarm rang. So you want to write action 1. Okay, action 1. The alarm rang. And the action 2, he was trying to enter the building. To enter the building. This type you want to split the two sentences into two separate action. This is this exercise. Okay. See here. Next one I am going to do. Another two is your homework. So just listen carefully. I was playing till my parents came back home. எங்க அம்மா அப்பா வீட்டுக்குள்ள வர்ற வரைக்கும் நான் விளையாண்டுக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன். Okay. I was playing is action 1. So I was playing is one action and another action is my parents came home back. This is the another action. Okay, two action is happening there. So action 1 I was playing and action 2 my parents came back home. Okay, next one, see, this is your homework, just I explain it. Okay, Irfan and Mia were writing. Okay, one action is happening until the teacher took the answer sheets away from them. And another one happening, another action is happening, both are writing. At that time the teacher, the ma'am is collecting the paper. Okay, so two action is going on. So you want to just write action 1 is this and action 2 is this. Okay, next one, we were running up and down the stairs when Tony suddenly fell down. நாங்க மேலேயும் கீழே ஏறி இறங்கிட்டு இருந்தோம். One action and another one action, Tony fell down. So you want to write action 1 is this and action 2 is this. Okay, next one, underline the verbs in the past continuous tense in the sentences given below. So how they are formed using the verb plus ing structure, one is done for you. Already we know singular, for singular we use was plus verb plus ing. For plural we use were plus verb plus ing. This form we know. Yes, yes, see here, we were climbing. So what is the form used here? Yes, plural form, were. Next verb, what is the verb? Climb. Next ing added. So were plus climb plus ing is added. Okay, next one, find the word. What is the word? Ravi was trying to solve the problem when an idea struck him. What is the past continuous tense here? Yes, was trying. So you want to underline was trying. Next one, Hetal was running very fast until she got tired. Hetal is one boy, yes, one girl, sorry. One girl, she is running, she was running. Okay, so was is past, it denotes past. So singular, so we are using was running. So we want to underline was running. Next one, Tasar and I were eating breakfast when all our friends visited us. This is this type, case 2 type. Yes, two action is going on. See that? Yes, were eating breakfast. Nano Tashirum சேர்ந்து breakfast சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். One action. All our friends visited us. என் friends எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து எங்களை விசிட் பண்ண வராங்க. So two action is happening. That's not a problem. We want to just find past continuous tense. So which is the past continuous tense here? Were eating. So underline the word were eating. Next one, Asha was sleeping till late in the day. Which is the past continuous? Yes, was sleeping. Okay, now next page, page number 46. Change the verbs given in the brackets to the past continuous tense to complete the sentences. One is done for you. When I visited my friends, they, see they is plural. So what form we want to use? Were. Yes, were plus verb. What verb is given in the bracket, we want to use the verb, then we want to add ing here. It is easy, right? Okay, now see, the kids dash run around in the garden when it suddenly began to rain. Okay, the kids danced around in the garden when it suddenly began to rain. Kids வந்து ஓடிட்டு இருக்கும்போது suddenly rain வந்துட்டு. Okay, so let me use the structure here. Yes, the kids, it is in plural form. So what form we want to use, was or were? Which is the answer? Were. Okay, for plural we want to use were plus what is the hint, what is the verb given in the bracket? Run. So we want to use the verb run plus ing. So what is the answer here? First one, were running. Were running. Okay, next second one. See, sorry, it is second and then third one. First one already done, right? Okay, second, third one. I danced practice the piano when mom came home. See, I means only one, so it is singular. For singular we want to use was. Okay, was. What is the verb given in the bracket? Practice. So with the practice we want to add ing, so practicing. Okay, practicing. Okay, next one. The players dash sit. Okay, sit is the option. The players. The players is singular or plural? It is what? Plural. So we want to use were. Fourth one, were sitting. With the verb we want to add ing, so sitting. Next one, while Aaron does work. Aaron is one boy, so was. Okay, we write was and work is the verb here. So with the verb we want to add ing, so working. And one more. See in the last line, his friends. His friends means it is plural, so we want to use were. Where swim is the verb, so we want to write swimming. Okay, then next one. Look at the jumble sentence given below. Rearrange the sentences using the past continuous tense of the verb. One is done for you. Okay, next fifth Roman letter. Look at the jumble sentence given below. Rearrange the sentences using the past continuous tense of the verbs. One is done for you. See here, the words are scrambled. The words are jumbled. So we want to make a sentence using past continuous tense. What is the structure of past continuous tense? Was or were plus verb plus ing. Okay. See, badminton at the club. Maria play. So we want to make it is in a sentence. See here, Maria was playing. Maria is singular, so was is used here. Play is the verb given here already, so we are using play plus ing. So playing badminton at the club. It is easy, right? Next one, Anubhuti English study. Then how we want to write? Yes, Anubhuti. Anubhuti is singular, right? So we want to use was. Okay, was. What is the verb here? Yes, study. Study is an action, right? So it is a verb. So we want to use study. Study. We want to add ing. So studying English. Studying English. Okay, we frame the sentence using past continuous tense. Okay, next one, third one. Cook Sneha fried rice. Here what is the verb here? Cook is the verb. So Sneha. Sneha means only one. So what is the verb come here? Sneha was. It is singular, so was. Cook is the verb. With the cook we want to add ing. So was cooking fried rice. Okay. The next one, Arun and Asif eat lunch. See here, Arun, Asif, two members are here. So it is plural. For plural we want to use where. So Arun and Asif. Okay, Arun and Asif were. Eat is the verb. So here we are writing eating. Okay, were eating lunch. Next one. Fifth one. Brijesh a cake have. See here, Brijesh is only one boy, so it is singular. What is the verb here? Have. Have is an action, right? So I have this. It is an action. So we want to use the have plus ing. So how we write Brijesh was having a cake. Okay, next one. Sixth one. We walk home. See, we is plural. So we want to use the form were. So we were. What the action is here? Walk. So walking. We were walking home. Okay, next one. Read the sentences given below. Spot the errors in the use of the past continuous tense and correct them. See here, we want to see the singular or plural, what form is used here, then we want to strike out and we want to change the thing into past continuous tense. Okay, let me see the first one. They was asking. See, they means it is plural, but here was is used. Was means it is wrong. Yes, so were asking. First one already written. Okay, second one. What is the word given? Yes, were buying. It is the word given, were buying. Okay, see here, he means only one. So we don't use were. What we want to use? Was. Okay, he was buying. This is the answer. He was buying a box of chocolates for his mother. Okay, next one. Myra was sad. See, what is the procedure? What is the structure of past continuous tense? There should be a verb with continuing. Continuing means ing. ing should be there. See, here only past tense is there, not past continuous tense. Yes. So how we want to write? Yes, was is correct. How was is correct? Because Myra is only one. So singular. So we are using was. See the next one. Was. Sat is past tense. So we want to strike out the sat and write sitting. Was sitting. Okay, next fourth one. The dog were scratched. See, were scratched. See, were scratched. The dog only given. The dog means only one. So we want to strike out the were and we want to write was. Okay, next is scratched. It is in past tense. So we want to change it into past continuous. So scratching. Okay, next one, fifth one. Virat were looked. See, were looked. Looked is the past tense, so it is not come. How many members? Virat means singular, so it is also wrong. Then how we change? Was. Then look is looking. Okay, next, sixth one. Was looking. Okay, next one. Joseph were working. Joseph is a single man, only one singular. So were working is not come. See, were working. Were is not come for the singular. We want to use was, and working is already work is a verb, ing is added. So it is correct. Was working. Okay. We learn about the past continuous tense. What is meant by past continuous tense? It is used to talk about the action that began in the past and continued for some time, which means it is over but continued in the past. Already it is happened. We are talking about the happened thing and it is continued for some time. Okay. Structure is was or were plus verb plus ing, and we learn about two cases of this past continuous tense. What is the first past continuous tense? It can act for some time, and second one is another action also included. Yes, two cases we learn, and your homework is in the in the first page number 44. The three which are the S, D, E, F. Then in the 45th page, that D, E is your homework. Yes. Okay. Do your homework, students. I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you, students.